What's good, family? As always, it's Customs. Real quick, I'm gonna show you an easy way to get to the actuator motor right here. You're not gonna drop the transmission mount like you see on a lot of videos. Keep that in. You're gonna take out these 8mm bolts right here and one 10mm bolt right here, and some over here that holds the heat shield. You're gonna peel that back one bend, and then you're gonna see your motor right here. What you're gonna do, disconnect this harness, disconnect this harness. You're gonna have an E6 right about there. You're gonna disconnect that so that way you can move this to the side to get to these E10 bolts. You're gonna take these off, put the E10 on there, take all these off. That one's already loose, that one's already loose. Get a little bit of transfer case fluid. Comes out. Slide a pan under there. Catch all your fluid. And then from there, just gonna grab your transfer case actuator motor out. Just wiggle it out little by little. And bam.